Students, let us begin with the last part of my introductory video of fractions and decimals. Now, first topic of this part is division of decimal fraction. First point is division of a decimal fraction by a whole number. I will explain you by giving example. Example is 0.4 is divided by 2. This 0.4 is a decimal fraction and this 2 is a whole number. To solve this, first I have to remove decimal of this 0.4. To remove the decimal of 0.4, I will just put 10 as a denominator under the fraction line because only one digit is after the decimal, that is 4. So our fraction will become 4 upon 10 and then divided by 2 upon 1. To solve this division will be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is taken. So reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Now our sum will become 4 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 2. According to the formula, first I have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 4 into 1 upon 10 into 2. 4 ones are 4. And 10 twos are, that is equal to 20. Now I will cancel this 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So our answer will be 1 upon 5. So in this way I can divide a decimal fraction by a whole number. Our next point is dividing a net decimal fraction by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Example is 4.8 is divided by 10. In this example, how many zeros are there in denominator? That is only 1 zero. So our decimal will move one digit towards the left. So our answer will be 0.48. Another example I will give you, that is 7248.23 divided by 100. Now how many zeros are there in 100? There are 2 zeros. So this decimal will move 2 digit towards the left side. So it will come here. 1, 2. It will come here. So our answer will be 72.4823. One more example I will give you. 22.004 divided by 1000. Now how many zeros are there in denominator? 1000, that is 1, 2, 3. So this decimal will move 3 digit towards the left. 1, 2 and then 1 0 more and then decimal will come here. So our answer will be 0.022004. Now our next topic is dividing a decimal number by a decimal number, or we can say that dividing a decimal fraction by a decimal fraction. Example is 0.5 is divided by 0.25. These both are decimal fraction or decimal numbers. Now first we will remove decimal of this 0.5 and I will put 10 as a denominator because there are one digit after decimal. So we will divide this 0.5 by 10. Now sign of divide will come. Now we will remove the decimal of 0.25 by putting 100 as a denominator under 0.25 because there are 2 digits after decimal, that is 2 and 5. Now this will become 5 upon 10 divided by 25 upon 100. Now this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign. 5 upon 10 multiply and reciprocal of 25 upon 100 will be taken. That is equal to 100 upon 25. So 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So our answer will be 2 upon 1, that is equal to 2. So in this way you can solve question by dividing a decimal number by a decimal number. Now let us begin with the last topic of today's session, which is conversion. Now you might have come across with a question asking you to count that how many meters is equal to 1 centimeter, or how many kilometer is equal to 1 meter. Now for all these type of conversion, you might have to remember things like how many meters is equal to 1 centimeter or how many kilometers is equal to 1 meter, that you have to remember, which is pretty hard, right? So to simplify this work of conversion, we have got a trick. So the trick is a sentence which says, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Okay, pretty easy to memorize. Now we have to only look at the first letter of each word. Now we have take the letter king. First letter of this king is K. So this K stands for kilo. First letter of Harry is H. This H stands for hectare. Next letter is died. First letter of died is D. So this D stands for deca. First letter of mother is M. This M stands for meter. Next letter is didn't. First letter of didn't is D. This D stands for deci. Our next letter is cry. First letter of cry is C. This C stands for centi, and our last letter is much, and M stands for milli. Now there is always a difference of 0 in each of these. Let me simplify it with an example. If you are asked how many meters are there in 1 kilometer, so I will simply put the coefficient of 1 kilometer given in the question over here. Coefficient of 1 kilometer is 1. So I will simply put 1 opposite to kilometer. And then keep on putting zeros until I reach meter. So as you can see, after continuously putting three zeros in a row, I have reached the meter. Therefore, the answer will be 1000. So I can say that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, if you want to find out how many centimeters are there in 1 meter, so again we will keep the coefficient of 1 meter, that is 1, given in the question over here, and then keep on writing zeros until I reach centimeter. I reach centimeter after putting 2 zeros in a row. So I can say that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I hope students that you must have easily understood this small trick of conversion. This is a really helpful trick. So I would suggest you all to memorize it by heart. So this is the end of today's video. We will meet again in our next video with next exercise. Up till then, goodbye.